What's up, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 207. So, tonight's episode, since it's 10:15 p.m. already, I gotta get this thing out. We just finished up with our Monday Live and our Cameo giveaway. Had 9 mini pack winners, and we gave away a Silhouette Cameo 4. It was an awesome training, but the question I had during the training, because here's what happened. The plan was to go onto YouTube, right? And I had that plan to go onto YouTube. It was going to be awesome. I tested it today. I knew it was going to work perfect. And guess what? 10 minutes before I went live, YouTube Live wasn't working at all for me, okay? All the settings were messed up and it would not go live. So the question came in, and what Jonathan asked was, hey, Matt, when stuff goes wrong with your business or stuff goes wrong with what you have planned, how do you always figure a way out of it? Okay? And the reason why is I always have a backup plan. I always think of, if this is not going to work, what is my backup plan? Because here's what most people would have done tonight, okay? YouTube wasn't working. They would have just canceled their YouTube Live and done it another night. Well, I got you guys counting on me. A lot of you don't go out, don't go do different things on Monday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern time because you plan on me providing you with some awesome training to help your business and maybe give away a Silhouette Cameo 4, right? So you guys, I've committed to that, right? I've told you guys I'm going to do that. I don't want to cancel on you. So I always have that backup plan. And the backup plan tonight, obviously, was Facebook. And I'm telling you guys, had the YouTube work. Look at the setup I had tonight. Let me flip around here real quick. So what I had here is this was going to have Instagram. This was going to have TikTok. This was going to be YouTube. This phone was going to be Facebook. I was going to be on every form of social media tonight. There's a little TV with my questions. I was going to have my questions up on this big TV over here as well. I was going to have my questions on this little TV over here as well. I had a camera here right on the heat press. I had another camera for the YouTube here, and then another camera over there on my computer. It was going to be freaking epic. And guess what happened? YouTube shit the bed. Well, not really. I did, because I tested it and my settings were wrong, even though it worked the first 3 times I tested today. But when it was go time, it didn't work. So now you start stressing. Well, man, we got 500 people that are they're relying on me being here for this training. We made some awesome things tonight, right? So we made this educational rockstar tote bag. We made this distress tote bag, the distress shirt with the splatter effect on it. We made this baseball mom rhinestone shirt tonight. We made a car decal right over here. We did the 4-layer coloring of the car decal without registration marks. It ended up being freaking awesome, right? We had over 609, when I looked at the end, 690 people on the live tonight. 690 of you. That's freaking awesome. Thanks for coming. On Facebook, improv completely changed, and 690 of you still showed up. That made me feel good, all right? That was pretty awesome. That was a good feeling to know that you guys wanted to, and I know a lot of you wanted to come for the Cameo giveaway, but hopefully a lot of you come for the training as well. But the whole point of this Ask Matt is to have a backup plan. Not only about videos, okay? Have a backup plan about your business. If my plan is to sell all screen print transfers and people aren't buying them and that doesn't work, well, what am I doing next? What can I do next, okay? If I have a vinyl cutter, right, and I'm going to be just a decal business, but the decals don't take off like they should, and I got to find my niche. Well, I got a vinyl cutter. I can try and do rhinestone shirts as well. I can try and do heat transfer vinyl as well. I can do all of these different things. You go to, and this will happen a lot, guys, go to an event. I used to always have to have a backup plan, right? I go to an event with 100 baseball teams at the event, and I go there, and this actually happened once. I went there to make decals at the event. I brought my little cheap vinyl cutter to the event. Guess what happened? My vinyl cutter would not turn on. Completely dead. Done. A whole day. Ruined. What did I do? I focused on making contacts at the event that day. focused on making contacts, letting them know what I could do, telling them, hey, my machine went down, I got another one coming in, but here's a 20-30% coupon code to our website. I apologize for the inconvenience, but here's a 30% coupon. And most people would have gone home and said, oh man, I can't make money today. I stayed out there the entire time. I made a crap ton of content, not comments or content. Contacts. I made a crap ton of contacts. And what was awesome, I remember that one specifically because I met a principal at one of the elementary schools, and they ended up doing a fundraiser that went insane and made me a couple $1,000s. Had I left that day, I would have never met that principal probably, and I would have never got that contact information to get that sale. So again, point of this Ask Matt, have a backup plan if you can. Whatever it is, assume that it's going to go wrong. If everything goes smoothly, freaking awesome. If it doesn't, you got your backup plan. You're ready for it. Don't stress out. Don't go crazy, okay? I should have been stressing out and getting pissed off and throwing my computer out the window right there, right? Because 500, 600 people were about to not be able to go on live. But I had that backup plan. It worked on Facebook. It was pretty awesome. We went on TikTok live. I gained some new TikTok followers, which was cool. I think we gained 62 new TikTok followers just from going on TikTok tonight. So at the end of the day, it actually ended up being better for me because I just gained more followers on TikTok than I wouldn't have gained had I not gone live on TikTok. Look at that. So again, appreciate you watching these Ask Matts. Hopefully they're helping you out. Please comment below. Let me know your question for the Ask Matt series so I can hopefully answer it in one of these. I got 100 days straight and we're only, 8 days in? We're going to kill it. So 2020, it's our year, crew. Let's do this. Click that like button. Click the comment, the little bell. Click the subscribe, the little bell right next to it. Set your notifications, and there's the real subscribe button right there. But appreciate all of you. Thank you, crew. I will see you tomorrow. Later.